welcome back to our channel. This is Rhonda. I don't know why, but I have another Ipsy bag that's actually an Ipsy bag from last month. I have two where I can show like a 20 something against a 40 something, and I had another one and I know I canceled it, and I'm gonna have to check on it and find out if they didn't cancel it. I had got another one because they were giving away a palette, the bomb or something like that that I had been wanting, so I have to check on it. But since I got it, I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing to show you all, even though it is the 1st of August and this is a July. Of course, you know, look like that. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you anyway since I already have it.
Talk to you later.
Thanks, scare me. If you watch a video that about my Amazon unboxing, it'll explain to you what that is. I have to watch what I say because it's just scared me to death. Okay, so I've got this, and some of this will be going into the giveaway that I just made a video for, so that'll be on soon. This is the July box. I figured I'd go ahead, like I said, and show it since I have it. And oh, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. Thank you all for coming. And I got another 24-hour brow. If you remember right, I got this in both of the 20-something bag and the 40-something bag. So this is, I don't know if this is a color. This is custom molded 24-hour staying power, flexible, flake-free formula, easy to apply and quick dry. This will go into the giveaway. If I'm assuming that whoever wins the giveaway will want that. Like I said in the other video that I'm doing the giveaway, that I will be talking to the winner to make sure that I don't send them things that they don't want or things they've already got, because most of my things are things that I've got in boxes that I've put up for a giveaway. I've got a few things that didn't come in a box, but I want to make sure that I don't send someone duplicates, so I will talk to you to make sure that I don't really want to give away everything I've got as far as to give the surprise away, but I will check to make sure that which boxes the winner subscribes to, so that I don't send duplicates. And I'm pretty sure this was in both boxes, the pore tightening pearl clay mask, and I do believe this is a fairly expensive brand, so that will more than likely go into this giveaway. And then the body lotion, seductive sandalwood. Oh, that's got a seal on it. I remember checking this out before. It's got a nice faint smell, nothing too overpowering. I remember this being really thick. This one doesn't feel as thick as the other one did. If you remember, if you watched my Ipsy, I think it was the Ultimate, I got this, and I actually was sticking my finger down in it because I could not get anything to come out even when I shook it. So that one is not quite as hard to get out. This is banana setting powder. Says BP. Is that Bella Pier? I forget how you say that word, and it just says BP on it. It says banana setting powder in medium. Yeah, it's unless I'm overlooking it, I don't see. There it is, way down here, where it tells the address of the company. Bella Pierre. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce that or not, but that's a nice size setting powder. This will probably also go in the giveaway. And I got this perfume. I actually really like this. Kinsey Life Beat. I actually really like this fragrance. If you've never not smelled it, now it could be overpowering if you put too much on, because I think I just sprayed too much on my wrist, but it is, I like this. It's, did I show you? It's like a travel size when you put in your purse. I'm kind of leery about doing that though, because I did that with one I had, and it turned over and leaked all over my purse, and I don't want to ruin my purse or have one of these leak out all over it, and then it's no good to use anyway. So these will probably all go in the giveaway that I am starting. And I've got some other nice things. And from what I've seen of people who do the giveaways, they do it each time they go a higher number, they get a better giveaway. So I'm not really sure how that works, but I do want to give some nice items. Like I said, y'all have made me feel so welcome, and just y'all have become my friends so fast. And I've went really in only 2 months, because the first month I had very few subscribers because I was just feeling my way through things, and most of the subscribers that I have gotten has been in the last 2 months, and I think I'm at 216, so I think that's pretty good considering I really just started a couple months ago, really going good. So I think that's pretty good. I have dreams of getting it bigger and being able to share more and more as time goes by, but for now I think that is good. So I think that is everything on this video. Again, I thank you all very much. I love you guys. I hope you're having a great weekend, and I will see you all very soon. Bye bye.